Albert app freezing usually happens when the app cache becomes overloaded, the bank connection stalls, or the device runs low on memory while the app is syncing financial data. By the end, you'll know why Albert freezes, how to fix it step by step, and how to stop it from happening again. Start with the simplest cause. Most Albert freezing issues come from temporary app glitches during data sync. Now explain what that means. The app is constantly pulling bank and budgeting data in the background, and that process can hang if something interrupts it. Now give the first fix. Close Albert completely from your recent apps list, not just minimizing it. Now explain why. This forces the app to restart its syncing process instead of staying stuck in a frozen state. Now move to cache. Clear the app cache from your device settings if the freezing keeps happening. Now explain what that does. Cache stores temporary data that can become corrupted over time and slow down performance. Now explain another cause. Low storage space on your phone can cause apps like Albert to freeze during heavy data loads. Now, explain the fix. Delete unused apps or large files to free up storage before reopening Albert. Now explain network issues. A weak or unstable internet connection can also freeze the app during bank updates. Now explain what to do. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which connection keeps Albert stable. Now, explain bank sync issue. If your bank connection is stuck, Albert may freeze while trying to refresh financial data. Now explain the fix. Open the app and check your linked accounts section to see if any bank shows a sync error. Now explain update issues. Outdated app versions can also cause freezing due to compatibility issues with bank services. Now, explain what to do. Update Albert to the latest version from your app store before retrying. Now explain device restart. Restarting your phone clears temporary system memory that may be interfering with the app. Now explain deeper issue. If freezing continues after all steps, the issue is usually tied to account-level syncing problems. Now, explain what that means. In that case, reinstalling the app often forces a full reset of local data. Now, summarize the core idea. Albert freezing is usually caused by cache issues, low device resources, or interrupted bank syncing. Clearing app data, improving storage space, and fixing connection stability solve most cases. And if the issue continues, reinstalling the app resets the system completely. One practical next step. Guide. Force close Albert. Switch to a strong internet connection. And restart your phone before opening the app again. If this helped, like the video. And subscribe for more simple fixes for finance apps that actually explain what's happening, instead of guessing.